get with the program in a place called Connecticut. Good morning, all. How's everyone doing today? I'm looking at this very interesting post. Irma is so intense it is registering as earthquakes by Christopher Nunley. This was on September 5th. Look at this. Hurricane Irma is now a Category 5 hurricane with sustained winds of 185 miles per hour, according to the National Hurricane Center. This is one of the strongest hurricanes in recorded history in the Atlantic. In fact, Irma is so strong that the hurricane is registering as earthquakes on seismometers equipment that measures earthquakes in Guadeloupe. Why is it happening? According to Stephen Hicks, a seismologist at the University of Southampton, noise caused by the high winds and the movement of trees transferring energy into the ground registers as low-pitched sounds that show up as small earthquakes. Some of the seismometers are also located close to the shoreline and can become contaminated. False earthquakes by large waves generated by Irma. The frequency of earthquakes will increase as Irma nears land and grows intensity. And that's Irma, which means, by the way, war goddess. This is an unbelievable hurricane. It's the strongest hurricane ever recorded in the Atlantic. It's much worse than Hurricane Harvey. Do be prepared, all. Prepare to protect, for you don't know which way it's going to turn. Everyone should be ready. Everywhere along Florida, Cuba, Texas again, Gulf of Mexico, up the entire coast. If that should take a turn, it could head towards the coast from Florida up to Maine. Do get anything that you need now. Even use this as a drill. This should be an earthquake drill for all. We cannot wait. Do it now. Be prepared.